Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 239BN Satin Brass Door Sweep. So this is one of those rare instances when you get something that's really really a nice door sweep, something architectural, something not standard or builder's quality, but something that's really exquisite in terms of the world of hardware. What you're looking at here is a solid architectural bronze door sweep in a satin brass finish. A lot of people call them brass sweeps, and they certainly are. That's the back side of it. Okay, the Dorbin 239 is synonymous with dimensionally what's important about this sweep, and that is that it's 1 7/8" overall height. Okay, there's a link below this video to a printable cut sheet, which is basically just an expanded view of what you're looking at. And Dorbin doesn't give us all of the dimensions necessary. Not sure if you can hear the fish tank in the background. So we're looking at an 1 7/8" overall height, and I'm going to carefully put the tape measure to the bottom of that sweep. And it looks like we're dealing with about 5/8 of the exposed material alone. So I'm going to put this on my desk and measure that and confirm. Yeah, so the model that I have sitting here is 2-inch overall height and about 3/4 length. What that's telling me is the neoprene's running 1/8 of an inch long compared to the drawing. So you'd be really about, 5/8 on this. And then, the extrusion height itself would be your 1 1/4. Okay. And what makes this this is a very durable door sweep in the sense that durable item in the sense that it is a piece of solid neoprene in the back. And this is the kind of neoprene that when you smell it, it smells like a car rubber tire. It smells like you walked into a tire shop, and that makes this material extremely durable. Something that seals extremely well, is very good in low and high temperature sort of extremes, and is very long lasting. That's 1/8 of an inch thick of solid rubber, just like you'd have on car tire. Now the nice thing about this sweep from Dorbin, well, several nice things. Combination of it being solid brass, very durable neoprene sealing material. This, I'm going to hold it up vertically to get it a bit closer to the camera, is in a satin brass finish. So this material, the solid architectural bronze, this item is available in a mill brass, okay, which would be just like what the extrusion of brass comes from the mill. Then you go to the satin brass, which is what this is. After that, you can get this also with a polished finish. You can get it with an oil rubbed bronze finish. So 4 different finishes on this one item: mill, satin brass, satin, polished, and oil rubbed. This sweep alone weighs well over 2 pounds. So this is a heavy item. This is the real deal in terms of solid bronze sweeps. Those are the different finishes that's available. Before we talk about lengths, the neoprene is held on with an adhesive in the back. Okay, screws are included. You'll get solid brass. Yeah, there's solid brass screws. Okay, is the quantity that you would need for the entire sweep. This is a 42-inch sweep, so it looks like you'd need about 5 screws. Yeah, 5 screws. That neoprene is held on with an adhesive, but only as a method of shipping, really. You've got your slotted hole here. You're going to pre-drill the hole through the back of the neoprene, and then once you attach it to the door, that's how this is going to be securely attached. You're going to want to pre-drill it. You wouldn't want to take a solid brass screw and try to run that through that, neoprene itself. Now, available in several different lengths in the website. Okay, if you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and indicating in the comment field what length you'd like the material to be cut back to. The reasoning for that is, you know, listen, you've got a door sweep, it's gorgeous in its finish, it's beautiful. You don't want to have to cut it really at all once you get it, unless you're forced to. The other reason is that slotted hole that's there. That's real nice to have, because if you had to take this 42-inch and cut it down to, say, 40-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole. The next one's all the way over here. Okay? Drilling a slotted hole is tough. And putting any tool onto a piece of finished satin brass, you know, would not really be desirable, in my opinion. If you order a custom length, we're going to give you those slotted holes, not only the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center. And those slotted holes are nice because it'll give you the ability to tailor that to an uneven sill, or, you know, a door that's not plumb, you know, situations of that nature. Plus, that small amount of variation or adjustment, let's say, that it also gives you, kind of compensates for, you know, when you put your drill bit onto the door, steel, wood, fiberglass, aluminum, whatever you're putting this onto, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit if you've not used a center punch. And that will also, that slotted hole will also help, you know, accommodate, you know, any sort of variation you have in where the holes should be drilled. So it's nice to have those from the factory done that way. So if you have need for a custom length, order the next biggest piece or pieces, indicate in the comment field, please ship at X inches, and we'll be happy to do that. Dorbin is a full-line manufacturer of all things commercial weather stripping. They do a lot of solid brass material, okay, and they do a lot of, they're also known for their double-hung, you know, window weather stripping as well. If you have any questions on the Dorbin 239BN Satin Brass and Neoprene Door Sweep, or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.